Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Circle Time Kids Club. My name is Miss Porter, and we're so happy to see you today. This is my friends, Pete. Say hi, Pete. And these are my little friends, Lexi and Marcus. So, we're so glad to see you today. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So we have so many fun things to do today. But first, do you know your 5 senses? Let's say our 5 senses together. I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. And I can touch with my hands. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. I love you. Very good. Okay, now, do you know your days of the week? Let's say the days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, now let's say the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. Now, let's say the days of the week in Spanish. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, friends? Okay, let's say them together. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Good job. Give yourselves a hand. And I want you to pat yourself on the shoulder because we are so proud of you and you did a good job. All right, now, do you know your months of the year? Let's say our months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good. Now, let's say the months of the year in Spanish. Janeiro, Febrero, Marzo, Abril, Mayo, Junio, Julio, Agosto, Septiembre, Octubre, Noviembre, Diciembre. Very good. Good job. We are so proud of you. Give yourselves a hand and pat yourself on the shoulder. Good job. Now, do you want to sing a song? Let's sing a song together. Let's go on a walk. Are you walking, Pete? What about you, friends? Okay, let's go. Mr. Frog went walking on a summer day. Mr. Frog went walking on a summer day. He met Miss Market on his way. He tipped his hat. Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, will you marry me? Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, will you marry me? We'll live together in an apple tree. Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, what we having for supper? Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, what we having for supper? What? Fried mosquitoes and bread and butter. That's yucky for us, but that's yummy to Mr. Frog. Very good. Okay, now, did you enjoy that song? All right, so now we're going to do our colors. Do you know your colors? Okay, let's say them together. Red and yellow and green and blue, purple and orange too. You can sing a rainbow, a pretty rainbow, a pretty rainbow too. All right, let's say the colors. All right, this is the color red. Can you say red? This is the color orange. Can you say orange? This is the color yellow. Can you say yellow? This is the color green. Can you say green? This is the color blue. Can you say blue? This is the color purple. Can you say purple? This is the color brown. Can you say brown? This is the color black. Can you say black? Okay, now let's say the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, like what I'm wearing today, brown, black. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, do you know your shapes? Let's say our shapes together. Okay, this is an octagon. Can you say octagon? Very good. This is a pentagon. Can you say pentagon? Good job. This is a square. Can you say square? Very good. And this is a hexagon. Can you say hexagon? Good job. Okay, now let's do and say these shapes. This is an oval, a triangle, a circle, a rhombus, and a rectangle. Very good. Now, let's do those shapes again, and then we're going to repeat our first set of shapes. Okay? This is an oval. Can you say oval? This is a triangle. Can you say triangle? This is a circle. Can you say circle? This is a rhombus. Can you say rhombus? And this is a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Good job. Now, let's do the first set of shapes again, because we really want you to learn it and understand it. Octagon, pentagon, square, hexagon. Good job. Now, let's count. Are you ready to count? Okay, we're going to count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, Pete and friends. And we're so proud of you. Now we're going to say the numbers from 1 to 10 in Spanish. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, let's say them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. We are so proud of you. Give yourselves a hand and pat yourself on the shoulder. And you did an awesome job. Are you ready to say a nursery rhyme with me? We're going to do hey diddle diddle. Okay, let's go. Hey diddle diddle. Hey diddle diddle. The cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Ready? Let's do it again. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Very good. Okay, now, are you ready to do some sight words? Let's do some sight words. Okay, I have 2 sight words that we're going to learn today. Now, what is this a picture of? Can you see that? Can you tell me what that is a picture of? Who can tell me what that is? It makes a noise and it swims in waters and it goes quack, 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 quack. That is a duck. Can you say D, T, D, T? Starts with the letter D, 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 duck. All right, let's spell duck. Duck is spelled D, U, C, K. Duck. D, U, C, K. Duck. Oops. One of my letters fell off. Okay, so that means we need to flip it over. What is this a picture of? Can you tell me what that's a picture of? It's roof, roof. This is a dog. So let's spell the word dog. The word dog is D-O-G. Dog. Very good. This is a picture of, it's kind of unusual, so I'll just let you guess. It has little birdies in it. This is a nest. Can you spell the word nest? Let's spell it together. N-E-S-T. Nest. A little birdie home. Okay? Now, what is this a picture of? I'm going to give you a hint. It goes meow, meow, and it's soft and fluffy. This is a cat. Let's spell the word cat. C-A-T. Cat. Well, boys and girls, I've had so much fun today. And I'm so glad you took out time to visit with us. Okay, Pete and friends, it's time to wave goodbye. Until next time, bye-bye.